Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day today. Today we are back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Jordan Retro 5 UNC SE. This shoe was released on March 4th, 2023 at a retail price of $225. The Air Jordan Retro 5 UNC showcases a familiar pastel hue inspired by Michael Jordan's time spent playing with the North Carolina Tar Heels. The upper is crafted from a university blue nubuck, vented corner panel netting, and a stitched-on jock tag on the heel. An embroidered Jumpman decorates the tongue with a reflective silver, adding visibility in low-light conditions. The shoe sits on a black polyurethane midsole accented with a speckled shark tooth design and a visible air unit in the heel. With retail price being so high, there is very little room for profit. Most sizes are going for around $250, reaching $275 at the max price size. I do think over time these will increase in resale value, but not for a while because of the way the sneaker market is going. These are basically the poor man's version of the UNC Retro 5 PEs, which in my opinion are much cleaner. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.